Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So today the weather is popping and my drink too is popping. So we have three types of this drink. One is the spice tamarind drink, which is the Emudro Hausa Biya, and the spice millet one, and the rice one, the spice rice one. The two, I have it on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. After this video, go check it out. And yeah, so as I always say, no long talk biao eb two. Okay, Lamurgee. Yeah, so I have my rice which I soaked last night, and then I have here my soaked tamarind, and then I have ginger, some black peppercorn, cloves, and chili powder. Now I'm going to blend the rice and the ginger plus the cloves, black peppercorn, and chili powder. With the rice, I soaked mine last night, but you don't need to soak it overnight. You can soak it for about 3 to 6 hours just to make it easier for the blender to blend it smoothly. Yeah. Now I'm going to add my ginger, cloves, black peppercorn, and chili powder. With the chili powder, if you have the chili pepper, the small dried ones, that one is perfect. I'm going to blend it together. It's done. Now I'm going to strain it. I'm done with it. I've removed all the chaffs. Now I'll put it aside and then extract my tamarind. And with the tamarind too, if you soak it, it makes it very easy to extract the fruit. See, it's very soft. It makes things very easy. So I'm going to strain the tamarind too, and then remove the seeds. I'm done with the tamarind. It's looking nice and smooth. Now I'm going to mix the drink. I have sugar, which you can use honey or sweetener, and then I have some ice and my tamarind. With the ice, if you are not drinking it straight away, forget the ice. Just keep the drink in your fridge, and anytime you want to drink it, then you drink it. You don't need to add the ice if you are not drinking it straight away. So I'm adding the sugar to my mix. I'm going to stir it and make sure the sugar dissolves in it. I will taste and see whether the sugar is okay for me. Perfecto. The sugar is good. Now I'm adding my ice to it. I'm going to add the tamarind to it. The tamarind gives it this flavor, nice flavor, and gives the drink some color, be nice color. Add this drink to your summer drink, all the three, and you would thank me later. Make sure you like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so that we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.